It's time to create, it's time to create, it's time to experiment and make something great. Show your own colors in your own way. It's time to create, it's time to create.
Today we're going to make flower petal pictures. We'll use flower petals, flowers, and leaves to create ephemeral artworks. You can try faces, animals, butterflies, houses, and any picture that you like. Let's gather our materials. The materials we'll need for our flower petal pictures include flowers and leaves, and you can collect these from your yard, or you can pick up a bouquet at the store that you can use. You'll also need some scissors and some white paper or a tray that you can use as a base for your artwork. Let's create! To begin, arrange flower petals, flowers, and leaves as desired to create a picture or design. You can try faces, mandalas, or even write words with the flowers. When you're happy with your artwork, you can take a photo to save it for later. And then remove the flowers from the paper and start again, creating a new picture. And you can do this as many times as you like, creating as many different flower pictures as you like. If you prefer, you can create your flower artworks on contact paper, which is also known as sticky back plastic, and then hang them in the window as sun catchers. I hope you enjoyed this art activity.
It's time